In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text in WPS Office. If you're working on a document and want your text to look cleaner, more organized, or more professional, changing the alignment is one of the easiest formatting tools you can use. In WPS Office, you can align text to the left, place it in the center, move it to the right, or justify it so the text lines up evenly on both sides. Let's walk through the process together. First, open the WPS file where you want to align text. This can be any document you're currently editing. Make sure the file is fully open so you can see the text area and the top toolbar clearly. Next, highlight the text you want to change. This step is important because WPS Office will only apply the alignment change to the selected text. If you want to align just a single sentence, a paragraph, or multiple paragraphs, click and drag over that section to select it. If nothing is highlighted, the formatting may apply only to new text you type afterward, so it's always a good idea to double check your selection. After that, make sure you're on the Home tab in the top menu bar. This is where the most common text formatting options are located, including font settings, spacing tools, and paragraph alignment controls. If you're on a different tab, simply click Home to return to the main formatting area. Now look for the paragraph section. This is where you'll find the alignment options. From here, choose the alignment style that fits your document. If you want the text to begin evenly from the left side, choose Align Left. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+L. This is the most common alignment style for regular documents. If you want the text placed in the middle, choose Center or use Ctrl+E. This is useful for titles or headings. If you want the text lined up on the right side, choose Align Right or press Ctrl+R. This can be helpful for certain design layouts or special formatting needs. If you want both the left and right edges of the paragraph to appear even, choose Justify or use Ctrl+J. This often gives documents a more formal and polished look. Once you click the option you want, the text updates immediately. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can quickly improve the appearance of your document and make it easier to read.